Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, it's exciting because I'm cooking my lunch. So basically, it's a simple aioli pasta. It's how I make it kasi yun yung kine-crave ko for lunch. But of course, I'm using gluten-free pasta. But feel free to do any kind of spaghetti that you want. So ito natira to the other night. Kaya, kita mo, naka-scotch tape lang yan. Kunyari lang na nagbubukas ako ng bago. So, sa kabilang side lang siya. So, basically, yun lang siya. I'm gonna be cooking my pasta. When you say aioli, it's garlic. So, it's garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. But, of course, with a little bit of tricks. So, let's go. Kasi gutom na rin ako. So, when you're boiling it, what I do is, I will add na a chicken cube. Para sa ganon, malasa na yung ating pasta. It has taste. There you go. More. And then here, we're just gonna turn it on. Kailangan olive oil. Wala ka talagang choice, di ba? So this is probably about 7 minutes kasi if it's a gluten-free pasta, it takes a little while. So actually, sila tang niluto ko masyadong colorful. Ito lang crave ko talaga today. Something as plain as this, no, na pasta. So, when you say aioli, it's sort of a quick pasta. Meaning, once it's cooked and we cook it, we eat it right away. So, that's why we'll just wait for the pasta to cook. And then, ito lang yung Parmesan cheese ko. So, you can use this Parmesan cheese. I think I also bought my own. Yeah, aged Parmesan. So, that's better. It's my lunch. Yan, para masarap siya. Hintayin natin siya. We will use that later. So, kailangan hinintay na lang natin tong pasta. Anyway, ang secret talaga dito is lots of Parmesan cheese to absorb the oil, but I'm gonna do a cheat and kunyari, I'm gonna add just a little bit of cream. So, that's my cheat. So, ngayon, kasi binoboil natin siya with chicken bouillon, so at least, or chicken cube, magkaka-taste na siya na may pagka-salty. I just remember it kasi when I was with my sister, kumain kami sa isang restaurant na parang ang plain. Yung walang color na pasta. Kala mo, underwhelmed. Kumbaga, kasi walang color. But it was so tasty and it was really good. So I was trying to dissect. Feeling ko na one of the things that really made a difference was when they boiled the pasta, it was already in a bit of chicken stock or some sort of stock. So I'm not sure it's chicken stock, but that's what I'm trying to mimic. I also wanted to share this kasi hindi to edit or fake, talagang kakainin ko siya ngayon for lunch. It's perfect also. Meron ako mga pamangkin growing up, ayaw nila ng color na pasta. Yung kinakain lang nila butter, noodles. Yun lang. Yung gusto nila plain na plain. May ibang bata ganun takot sa kulay pula, takot sa kulay green, basta ayaw nila ng color. So, I just thought of sharing this because I think it will be a good dish, no, to share. That's the number 2 reason. But the number 1 reason is it's what I want to have for lunch. So, this is probably 3 more minutes. Yan. So, since malapit na ito maluto, I can start sauteing the garlic. So, ito, hiheat lang natin. While that's sauteing, tamang-tama, the garlic is ready. Ready na yung ating pasta. So, of course, we want lots of garlic. And I don't want it so salty, so I'm gonna add just a little bit, just a pinch. And then some pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of my chili flakes. There. So para hindi na masyado siya mag-cook through, yung garlic, because I don't want it to be golden, I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid para hindi na siya mag-brown. It's exactly how plain I want my lunch to be. Ayoko ng kulay. I want it to be very, very straightforward. Yan. Just gonna add of my Parmesan cheese. Ganoon siya ka-plain. Weird, no? Gusto ko ganun lang. Iba na tira. So, ang buhay talaga nito will be in the Parmesan cheese. That's why you tend to eat it right away. Kasi nga, magdidikit-dikit yung cheese, di ba? Dahil kakamelt lang. So that's why we want it. I'm trying not to add cream, so I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of cream. Yeah, just a teaspoon. I'm gonna add more of my cheese. Yummy. And here is my lunch. Voila. That's it. Simple, plain. So excited to have my lunch. Yan. See? Medyo madikit na, mahirap, mabigat na. It's because nagmelt na yung cheese. So that's the secret of aioli. So if you wanted to separate a bit, I can add a little bit pa of the broth. And there you go. More cheese pa. Here is my plain aioli. I'm so excited to eat it. So plain, so simple, very straightforward. Perfect for my late lunch. Comfort food. Thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O. Bye-bye. I'm eating na. Finally eating my lunch. Yummy.
Oh, it looks good.
So plain. That's why you have to eat this fast.
Plain.
Kasi pag tumigas yung
Tigas,
cheese,
dami na.
tikit-tikit talaga yung
Heavy.
Exactly what I'm craving for. Al dente, plain aioli pasta.